Wonderful Wednesday, kindergartners. Today is Wacky Wednesday, so of course our message is going to be wacky and we're going to do our wacky greeting. Do you remember our backwards greeting? Remember, instead of saying, "Good morning, Mrs. Knippenberg," you would say, "Mrs. Knippenberg, morning, good." So you could pick someone in your family or a stuffed animal. So for example, I could say to Eleanor, "Eleanor, morning, good." And I could try to even shake her hand backwards. So let's try it. You can say good morning to me and I'll say good morning to you. So I'll say students morning good and you can say Mrs. K morning good. Ready? Here we go. Students morning good. You can try that with someone else at home too today. Well, let's go ahead and read our wacky message today. Today is May 6th, 2020. Oh, that looks pretty good. But let's check and read the rest. Dear time tellers, today is Wednesday. You will tell time on a couch. I'm going to tell time on a couch. You have reading with Mrs. Feldkamp, Matt with Mrs. Coleman, and Jim with Mr. Moostar. Can you find the mistakes in this message? Question mark, question mark. All right, let's go back now and find all our mistakes. So you're going to be time tellers today. That's true because you're going to be working with clocks. Keep that in mind. The first word says today. Now, is this how we write today? No, we're going to cross out the two and write the word to with a capital T, a T-O. Whoops, let's try that again. Oh, it's not letting me write it. There we go. Today is Wednesday. Ooh, look at the word Wednesday. Do you notice anything different? The W, so I'm going to X out the lowercase and days of the week start with an uppercase letter. You will tell time on a couch. Do we tell time on a couch? When your mom says, "What time is it?" does she look at the couch? I don't think so. She looks at a clock. So we're going to change this word to clock. C-L-O-C and K. There we go. You have reading wit. We're going to write with Mrs. Feldkamp. Not Matt, but math. We need a TH on with and math with Mrs. Coleman. Oh, look at that capital A. Did you see that capital A? It needs to be lowercase a. We don't write capital letters in the middle of someone's name. And Jim with Mr. Moostar. Can you find the mistakes in this message? Look at the end of this sentence. How many punctuation marks do I need? 2? Nope, we just need 1, so I'm going to cross out one of the question marks. Great job, readers. All right, let's read our seesaw attendance post. Today, you're going to draw a picture of a clock. That's your math assignment for today. And send the picture to me in your journal. So you have to get a piece of paper or notebook paper. You actually have to draw the clock. Or you could do it in your seesaw journal. There's a way that you could draw it there too. You're going to do this after watching Mrs. Coleman's lesson. So first watch Mrs. Coleman's lesson, then do the assignment, take a picture of it or draw it and send it to me. That will be your attendance for today. All right, the last part on our morning message is our student shout out. And today it is a boy because yesterday it was a girl. And today our student of the day, ooh, are you ready? This person has 5 letters in his name. This person's name starts with a K. This person really likes Spider-Man and other superheroes. He's a really fast runner. And a big clue that might give it away is this friend joined our class later than the other friends in our class. Can you think who it is? It's Kyrie! And Kyrie's name starts with an uppercase K. So I'm going to go ahead and write a K, then a Y, then an R, then an I, and then an E. All right, we're going to count the vowels and the consonants. And I think I gave it the clue away again. I keep forgetting to, and I tell you how many letters are in the person's name. So let's look at his name. And I see two vowels. Remember, the vowels are A, E, I, O, or U. And I see an I right here at the end of his name and an E as well. All right, so let's count the ones we circled. 1, 2. All right, Kyrie has two vowels and 1, 2, 3 consonants in his name. All right, let's go ahead and add them up together. We have 2 plus 3 more. So we have 2 and 3. So we can go 2, 3, 4, 5. Kyrie has 5 letters in his name. Great job. All right, it's time to give a big shout out to Kyrie. Remember to say like, we miss you, or I hope you have a good day of learning in your biggest, loudest voice. Are you guys ready? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Kyrie. We miss you so much. We hope you're having a great day. We hope you have fun learning on May 6th. We miss you. All right, great job. I hope Kyrie could hear everybody through his computer or phone too. All right, we're going to go on to the next part, and that was our special song that I introduced yesterday. And today we're going to hear the second verse. So yesterday we heard about bugs and that the sun is out. Let's hear about the next part. So it goes like this. Oh, the sun is out, it's time to play in the merry, merry month of May. Let's catch some bugs as they fly away in the merry, merry month of May. So you can see the little boy catching bugs. Let's look at the second verse. It goes like this. All is well, all is well, all is well each merry day. The plants are growing, their colors are showing in the merry, merry month of May. Oh my goodness, I heard some new things about May, that the plants are growing and their colors are showing. So we're learning lots about May, and tomorrow we're going to learn about a special day that's coming up very soon in May. All right, let's look at our calendar now. Yesterday was May 5th, which means today will be May 6th. So I'm going to write a big 6 right there. Then I want to look at our pattern. We had butterfly, flower, bird. Butterfly, flower, bird comes next today. All right, 2 more days. We're going to have our teddy bear clinic. Remember, this is where you get to bring a special teddy bear or a stuffed animal or a doll, and we're going to have a class meeting that day. All right, let's move our arrows over to the reading direction, 1 space to the right. Then we can read about today. So today is Wednesday. That means yesterday was Tuesday, and tomorrow will be Thursday. And maybe tomorrow we could listen to a day of the week or months of the year song. The next part is our weather, and this morning it was still a little bit cloudy, but I also saw a little peek of sun. So I'm actually going to add 1 sunny and 1 cloudy. What's the weather like at your house? It might be different than what it's like at my house. Let's go ahead and do our May tally. We're going to put our second tally mark since today is the second day of May that we've come to school. And we're going to go ahead and erase our tally mark for our number 1, and we're going to write the number 2 because we've come to 2 school days in May. All right. I think the last part is our warm-up for the day, and today we're moving on to 5s. And I'm going to move my screen way over here. We're going to stop at 100 today, but I want you to think about an exercise that you can do. Remember, if you tried sit-ups yesterday, try something different today. So think about a good exercise. Are you guys ready to count and get our brains ready for learning? All right, here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Great job. I hope your brain and body are ready for learning. And don't forget your seesaw post today to draw a picture of a clock and send it to me after you've watched today's lesson. Have fun learning, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.